Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be working on the busy ladies that I got from AliExpress, and we'll be working right down in here in the skirt of her dress. Yeah, and the color is $5.98 and it is excuse me, kind of a pale turquoise color, maybe? Yeah. So I gotta move those scissors. Sorry. And I need to pull you down. Whoop. Down, please. So you can see where and what I am working on. Yeah, well, yesterday was kind of slow. It rained, I swear, all day long, off and on. And it was about 40 degrees. So it was not what you would call a warm day at all. So I'm ready for it to get back to nice, warm feeling days. Yeah, I actually wore my hoodie to work yesterday. I was debating on whether to wear it or wear my heavy coat, because I wasn't real sure on how cold it was going to actually get by the time I got home, or got ready to leave, actually. So, yeah, it was just super fun. So, yeah, I came home and had a cup of hot tea because I was just kind of chilled, and had some red chili that I had made earlier on, like last month, month before, whatever it was. Yeah, it was really good. Warmed me right up. So, yeah, hopefully today, it said it was going to be a whole 4 degrees warmer than it was. Yeah, okay. We'll see if they're true to their word. But I'm a little sick of it all. It makes me just totally tired. So, yeah. All I want to do is get under my electric blanket and go to sleep. But that didn't happen. I even tried to take a nap and I couldn't go to sleep before I went to work. Yeah. Well, at least today is my Friday and I am thrilled sick. And we don't have an order this week. We haven't started getting the orders. I can see where I'm supposed to stitch, yet every week. That won't be for maybe a week or two, I hope, because yeah, it hasn't gotten that much busier. I'm sure they're busy on the weekend, but on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's fairly kind of slow. Although last week we were a little bit busy. I'm not sure what was going on or what the big deal was or why it was busier, because it's usually not that way on a Wednesday. Most people, that are like from Denver or Colorado Springs, they all have to work, during the week, so there's no reason why they would come, during the week. In the middle of the week, that is. So, yeah. And I wanted to stitch on this because I haven't stitched on it in, a couple weeks. I've been pretty, involved stitching on my hairpin ladies and the, what is it? The Tang Dynasty one. They've occupied my brain and my time recently, so thought it was time to not move on, but just stitch on something new and different. And this is a fairly easy stitch. I don't know how much back stitchings in it. I really hadn't paid attention to that because that's so far down the road that, yeah, we don't need to worry about it. Oh, for Pete's sake, we almost made it. So yeah, no grand plans for this weekend. If it's going to be like last weekend and it was kind of wet and cold and that kind of thing. So we'll just wait and see. My daughter's birthday is next week. Not sure on what day. So I'll probably have to take her to lunch, which will be nice to get out and go do something. I may even be able to talk her into a ride somewhere, but I don't know. Yesterday, the people that were coming and going, and I'm going to get this thread from over here. It's just too far away. Said that they didn't want to go up that hill, that you can take it all the way over to another part of Colorado. But they said they didn't want to drive on it because it was all kind of, they had some snow up there. So that's about 2,000 feet higher than where I live, kind of approximately. We're at 8,000, and that's maybe even more. A little bit higher, you know, the higher you go, of course. So, yeah, so no, it's not a good time to go traipsing around. Of course, it'll be melted as soon as it gets to be in the 60s again, if that happens this week. And before I forget, I did have 2 viewers send me pictures of projects that they have been working on. I do believe there's a finish in there. I think it was from Tanya. Thank you, ladies, for sending your pictures. Good job, both of you. It's awesome. I appreciate everybody that sends pictures, and that way we get to see what everybody's working on. But thank you, thank you. If anybody else has any projects they're working on, anything they've finished, and they'd like to share with the group here, I will be happy to put it into the next Stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. So, yeah. Thank you, thank you. It's kind of hard to see this color symbol, but I think it's all the same backgroundish. Whoops. I almost went the wrong way. Yeah. You can send that to my email. Does not have to be cross stitch. It can be whatever craft you're working with or you like to do. I will be more than happy to put it in a stitch with me. Oh my goodness. I worked a little bit yesterday. I'm trying to figure out where to go here. What is the problem, Laura Jean? I worked a bit on the hairpins. As I said, I've been pretty involved with them. So we're making progress little by little. There's a lot of bigger areas in that. And the material is so nice. It's so easy to stitch on or stitch with. And yeah, it's just nice and relaxing. I think I put 3 whole strands of color in yesterday before I went to work. So now when I say strands, I mean 6 strands, because I was over here and then I was over there, and yeah, it was awesome. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the progress that is going on with that. It's looking really good. So, and it's a joy, so yay. Trying to figure out if I need to go up or down, but I don't have too much thread here to work with. Ouch. worked a little bit on the hummingbirds too. So, yeah. I'm used to being on 14 count again. So, I keep thinking I have a long ways to go, you know. Yeah, that doesn't happen. So, yay. Hang just a second. All right. Had to get another, whoops, thread there of the same color. Those threads weren't nearly as long as I thought they would be. So yeah, no grand plans. Anybody else got plans for this weekend? Or anything exciting you're stitching on that you really love? Oh, geez. I have to get back to my daughter about my granddaughter's. I told you about that field day thing. So I don't know when that is exactly. She said she couldn't remember what, you know, when we were talking about it, what date it was. And she wasn't near a calendar because they have a school calendar thing. So I think maybe it's either next week or the week after that. So we'll have to see. And I thought, well, maybe. I don't know what time it starts. I have no idea. But I thought maybe I might be able to catch part of it before I went to work. Hopefully the weather will clear up before they get to doing that. So, fun times. I was just never really happy about those field day things. I was not athletically inclined at all whatsoever. And I don't remember if I went to my kids' field day event things or if I was off working. So, I don't remember, but I thought it'd be nice to at least show up. You know, depends on how long I can stay. If I can stay for the whole thing, yay. If not, no big deal. Oh, I'm sure the kids are all getting kind of antsy to get out for summer. They usually are this time of year. Oh my goodness. Anybody else get to go to their grandkids or their kids' things? It's always kind of fun. My daughter sent me pictures the other day of a band concert that they had. Of course, I think it was on a Monday. They had it on Monday, and of course, I had to work, and of course, it's after 6 o'clock. So, yeah. Fun times. Alright, guys. I think that is going to be about it. But I'll just continue. Put that up. The material's nice and soft. I just can't get a hole there. Okay, I'm going to turn it this way and pull you out. So, almost got that corner completed. There's an orange color there and a green. The green part is that pink line that goes through there. So, we'll see what we can get done. I might be able to accomplish that bottom part. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.